up for today. So we did end up with a bit of an inside bar here yesterday, and the Asian session, as per normal, is driving price up. We'll get down to low time frames now, but I think be wary today is non-farm payrolls. Forecast is for 8 million jobs lost, whereas the last number was 20.5 million jobs lost. So it's going to be interesting to see whether that forecast is accurate or not. Okay, so at the moment, I am still sitting on the side. There was a bit of a pullback here, nice little pin bar on the 3 hour, but it really didn't come back to the level I was looking for. And as far as I'm concerned, this is still a dangerous area for me. And being non-farm payrolls, I'm not really interested in trading. So if you get down to low time frames, you'll see what I mean. There was a bit of pullback onto structure here, which got you going. Immediately a pullback, and then the buyer stepping in again. I think we just checked that on the 15 minutes. You'll see big up, big down. Okay, inside bar, and then a rally off it. So now that was an opportunity, I suppose, a small opportunity. Let's just see what we would have had here. 87 points for 300 points. So not a bad option, but just not. It's just too volatile for my liking at the moment. So there were quite a few forex trades yesterday which made some money, and I did call them in the Telegram channel. So if you haven't joined up there, there's a link in the description below. You'll be able to check it out there. And if you're still around, give us a thumbs up. I'm trying to grow the channel, and every like does count. So just back onto the S&P here. This is sideways. I don't like trading sideways. I'm very reluctant to be long at the top here, and I'm also very reluctant to be short at the moment because the trend is up. You can see it's clearly to the upside. Doesn't matter which time frame you look at, it is up. Okay, the only concern I have is that we are extended, we are overbought, and we do have quite a bit of resistance ahead of us as well. I think if we just put that resistance level in there, and you'll see it kind of lines up with a couple of areas. But that being said, it is non-farm payrolls. Anything can happen. Okay, you might as well toss a coin because that's typically how some non-farm payrolls go. So I'm staying out of it. I'm not interested in this at the moment. Definitely going to be sitting on the sideline for now. This little Asian push here is a little bit suspect. Especially after we were pulling back last night and then buying into the close again. Okay, so I think that's it for me today. It is Friday. Probably may get one or two trades in, but they won't be on an index. It'll probably be forex trades coming through, and we will wait for the new week to see if we can get some structure. So, the last thing really is what would get me long with this setup that we have here. It's going to be a break and a retest after non-farm payrolls. Okay, not interested in that time before non-farm payroll or just after non-farm payrolls. Also not interested in that first 15 minutes when the market opens. We'll wait to see what direction we have, if we have direction, and then get in it. But it is, again, Friday, guys, so anything can happen. And I just like keeping my capital in my pockets sometimes, and this is going to be one of those days. Anyway, hope it helps, and we will catch you later. Cheers for now.